Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1966 Chevy Chevelle Convertible. This is definitely a nice ride here at Skyway Classics. Of course, not just being a Chevy Chevelle, but everybody loves a cool old classic car. Going into the one we have now featuring a Cortez Silver exterior. One of the nice things about this paint is it has that little sparkle flake in it. Also featuring bigger style chrome wheels, black powered top. Moving on with also the SS hood. Going into the interior, as you can see, you have a mixture of updated and original. As you can see, they have updated the gauges, as well as put a cool aftermarket style steering wheel. You do have the original console with the clock. You also have a very good audio system. As you can see, there's a new radio on the side with speakers coming from the kick panels all the way to a amplifier and speaker box in the trunk. Other than that, it has the old style bucket seats, leather. Front and back are all black. And other than that, let's move on to the engine bay. 502 big block, definitely a very fast and popular motor here in Chevy. With aluminum heads, the Heartbeat of America valve covers, I believe Riddler carburation system. Also has a fuel pump in this car, which is hidden in the ashtray for a switch. Other than that, it has a four-wheel disc brake conversion, so if you're afraid to drive a fast car and are worried about stopping, this one is definitely safe. Of course, right now we're opening her up a little bit. Has, I believe, a 3-inch exhaust with headers on. Other than that, now we can give you a little bit of a brake test. I forgot to mention one more thing. This is not your basic Malibu Chevelle, but is in fact a true 138 VIN number SS car. It's been proven before and still can be proven to this day. But other than that, now we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.